So we have Violeta, who is a girl, the one with the purple. Then we have Red, who is a boy, and his collar is quite big, so we are going to remove it. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna leave it there. And then we have this beauty. Wait, who else do we have? We have Orange, which is a boy. Where's Orange? This is Orange. Orange is a boy. And we have Reba, who's a girl. So Orange, the boy. Hi, Orange. Oh, he's peeing. And we have Reba, who's a girl. And she has red and black. Reba! Reba! And Orange. Reba! Next we have this girl called Blue. This is Green. He's a boy. We couldn't catch him, but he's the last one.